As the weeks go by, curiosity and the strong urge to explore is taking the chicks further and further from the nest. As they run the gauntlet of the colony and enter neighbouring territories, the chicks are repeatedly bullied and harassed. One chick has fallen victim to a vicious assault. Although it's been blooded and is now severely weakened, the adult's attack is unrelenting. This distressing behavior is rarely witnessed, so we can only speculate why it's occurred. Perhaps it shows the extreme lengths the penguins will go to in order to defend their territory. The dead chick's sibling returns and lays its head down on the corpse, as if mourning the loss of its companion.